Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Michou here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this fresh faced look done with all affordable makeup for spring break. Anyways, if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we're gonna start, this is the second time filming this. We're gonna start by freshening up the face because I just had to wash my face again. I'm going to use the Michou Beauty skincare. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea. I'm gonna wait for that to dry. Then while we wait, I'm gonna show you guys my moisturizer. This is the package. I always want to show you guys this because it doesn't look just like this at the store. It has a box, so that's why sometimes people get lost while looking for this. This is the Cetaphil moisturizer. It has SPF 15 because this is more of like a daytime poolside, lakeside look. I'm just gonna take half a pump. And then instead of dabbing it all over my face, I'm just gonna put it on my hand. My hand is clean. And then I'm just gonna rub my face. So I'm just gonna give a little bit of time for that to settle while we wait. I'm just gonna put a little bit of lip balm on my lip. The lip balm I'm using is by Baby Lips. It has sunscreen 20 and this is by Maybelline. Alright you guys, so we're gonna move on to primer. Today I'm going to be using something new, or at least I think it's new. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Primer. I really like this. This is going to be the second time I'm going to be using it, but I liked it the first time I tried. I like it that much. And then I'm just going to put that all over my T-zone. The T-zone because that's my most oily part. I'm just gonna add a little bit more for the side of my face. This product dissolves very quickly, so you don't have to wait as long as like the moisturizer. Alright guys, so today we're gonna use something different. We're gonna go back to the BB cream days. Yes, I feel like nobody talks about BB creams anymore when it was so popular like 2 years ago. Anyways, so I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl BB cream in SPF 15, and I'm in shade 810. This is a light to medium, so I'm gonna apply it with my fingers. You guys can see how glowy our face is, how fresh our face is. So that is why you needed the matte primer. And as you can see, it doesn't have any coverage at all. So if you want, you can, apply a little bit more. I don't want to because it's gonna be a grease ball on me. So I'm just gonna stay like this. This is the fresh face, and then we're just gonna move on to concealer. Okay, so the concealer I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline Master Contour. This is in medium. And this is just the concealer and bronzer. I'm just going to apply this directly on my face. And then I'm just going to use this BH Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have a name, but it just came from their striped collection or rainbow collection. I'm just going to pat the edges first to blend it. So I'm just pushing the brush inward and then making my way in. I then move on to powder already because I need to set this concealer. I'm going to be using my Stay Matte powder by Rimmel. This is in shade Nude Beige. Tap off and then lightly press on. Not making the forehead, the edge of the forehead not too visible. So just pull it a little bit like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to bronzer. The bronzer I'm gonna be using is actually this e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo. This is in shades blushed and bronzed. I lost my I lost my blush a long time ago, but we're gonna use the bronzer. I'm gonna be using this brush from e.l.f. This is the small tapered brush. I'm just gonna take some off there. You don't want it to go too high up on where we just highlighted, so I'm just using the brush, not putting any more products, just slightly pulling the powder down so that it wipes off the excess bronzer. And as you can see, I'm doing the tapping motion first, then I'm pulling, because this bronzer is a little bit too, it's too strong. So I need to make sure there's not too much products on there before I went ahead and blend it. Then I put a little bit powder on this brush, and then I'm just gonna clean up just a little bit under here. Okay, so moving on, we're gonna go ahead and move on to blush. I'm actually gonna be using an e.l.f. blush also. This I don't know the name because the back didn't have any name, but this is dupe for one of the NARS blush, I believe. And I'm gonna use this e.l.f. small stipple brush and then just grab just a tiny bit, working it up towards my temple rather than onto my apple. I'm just bringing the rest on my brush up here on my temple to give me that like natural flashed look. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes first. We're not gonna be using that much products at all. I'm just gonna use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, just so nothing smudges and smears there, because I have oily eyelid. If you don't want to use an eye primer, you actually can use your concealer as well. And then we're actually going to be using a highlight on our eyes. Yes guys, this is a very natural, nice look. But before that, I'm just going to use this brush, just take a little bit of the powder and then just set the lid just a little bit. Then we're gonna use a highlight. We're gonna use this LA Girl strobing powder. This is in 50 watt. I'm just gonna use my finger to apply it. I'm just gonna take just a little bit and putting it all over my eyelid. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to mascara. So we're going to an oldie but goodie mascara that I've been loving for a while. This is the NYC Showtime mascara. It's in black. If you have a waterproof mascara, you should go ahead and use that. Try and line our eyes. I'm just gonna tight line my eyes using this NYX retractable eyeliner. This is in bronze. Just gonna line under my lashes, upper lashes. Let's just give the eyes a little bit more fullness, the lashes a little bit more fullness. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much the eyes. I'm gonna go back to the face. The only thing that we forgot is the highlight, of course. So I'm gonna be using the same highlighter, and then I'm gonna use this this brush from Crown. This is another one that's, I think this is the only one that's not drugstore, but this is affordable. This is their blending crease brush. So I'm just gonna before I forget, I'm gonna use a cream highlighter first. I'm gonna use this Strobing Stick Illuminating Highlighter by Maybelline. And I'm just gonna use my finger again and then lightly put it on my cheeks. Use the powder on top of the cream. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so the matte lips, or semi-matte. The semi-matte lipstick I'm going to be using is the moisturizing lipstick by e.l.f. This is in Red Carpet. And this lipstick always shows kind of orange on camera, but this, trust me, it's a true red. I'm just gonna blot it a little bit with my my powder. I'm just gonna use my finger. Use this finger since the other ones are dirty. So I'm just gonna. Alright, you guys, so there you have it. Fresh faced look for spring break. All affordable makeup. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you want to change something? Let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching and happy spring break. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching that video, you guys. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you guys like this type of videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking my round face right here. That will help me a whole lot. And if you guys want to check out my vlog channel, it will be right up here. And the next video is here